In this video I will show you how to draw a string on the frame. We can use a label also to put a string here, but sometime what happens on runtime, we want to draw a string or change the color or draw multiple strings, whatever reason it can be. So this is our frame and we have a button here. We want to display another string when we click the button. So let's just have a look at the basic. Here we are in the paint method. I have the G handle for the frame and I use the method draw string, G dot draw string. This would draw this string and the position, this is the XY from where the string should start drawing. Now it depends how lengthy the string is, but it's going to start from here, 50, 50, X and Y. So let us just run this and see. You can see here it displays in normal size, font and color. Okay, now we want to do some changes. We don't want a plain string like this. We need some other details also. I will copy paste some code here just to explain it. Now this one we have already done this before. The color, you can change the color of the object or whatever you are trying to draw using the handle of the graphics, that is G. So you can set the color. This is 00 means black. Okay, so we set the color as black. Then if you want to change the font, okay, here we are using the font class and you create the font like this. You have the font name, then you can have font dot bold, italic or whatever different values are there, and then the size of the font. Now here we can see, you can see it has different values here. It has italic and bold, so we will use bold here, and then the font size. Now you can set this font to this graphics variable. Once that font is set, the color is also set here, and then we will draw the string. So let's have a look how this string displays. You can see here it is in black color and it looks bold also. Let us change the values and see, instead of bold we make it italic. Here you can see it's italic now. Okay, so like this you can draw a string. Now we have a button here also, so we will draw the same thing with the button. We can go to the event handler for this button. So here you can see we have to do the same thing. We need to get the graphics handle because we are inside the button, we are not inside the paint method. We set the color as white. Then the font, again here you have, we can make this one as bold again, and the size is the same, again the same thing. You set the font and then you draw it on a little different position. This one is 100 and 200, while this one is 110 and 210. So let's see how this works. This is the one drawn in the paint method, while this is the second one. So this is how you can draw different strings.